Hey guys, this is my look for today. I'm going to show you how to apply our Meteor Shower liquid eyeshadow and our spring collection limited edition Red Stiletto. Hello again. I am going to show you a video on our Meteor Showers liquid eyeshadow. And our Red Stiletto lipstick, which is our gel semi-matte lipstick. It's a part of our spring collection. And so I'm gonna start with CC Cream Light to Medium. It has SPF in it. It moisturizes your skin as well. So it's a very, very light foundation. I'm going to apply this to my skin. Okay, then I'm going to use my Time Wise 3D Matte Foundation, Beige N200. So I'm going to apply it. I'm going to use my Onyx eyeshadow to color in my eyebrows. Okay, next I'm going to show you our liquid eyeshadow in a Meteor Showers shade. Gotta start with my primer. And again, this helps for creasing. Okay, Meteor Shower liquid eyeshadow. Okay, we're gonna let it dry. Okay, it's dried perfectly nice. And what I'm gonna put on top is I'm going to put a little bit of driftwood. Okay. Oh, I was recording this whole time. Okay, so I went ahead and put some onyx in the corners. With some driftwood behind the onyx to blend it in some more. Then I'm going to go ahead and put my mascara on my bottom lashes like always. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on my bottom lashes. Next, I'm going to put some bronzer on my cheek. I kind of use it as a blush a little. And then I'm going to put some on my forehead. Then on my jaw, I kind of just put a little bit right there. That's usually what I do. Okay, and then I'm going to put some of our Gilded Glow highlighter. Okay, this is our Gilded Glow bronzer. It's part of our spring collection. And I'm just going to put some in the middle of my forehead for some glow. I don't know if you could see it in the camera, but it's so beautiful in person. Put some shinies on my nose. And then the next thing I'm going to show you guys is our Red Stiletto lipstick. So I'm going to put that on next. Actually, let me put on my eyeliner first. Now I'll show you how I put it on. It's very simple. This pen is very easy to use. It's waterproof, which is perfect for allergy season. Okay. Then I'm going to put on our Red Stiletto lipstick. First, I'm going to start with my lip liner. And this is a red Mary Kay lip liner. Okay, Red Stiletto lipstick. Oops. Wow. Look how beautiful that color is. This is our red gel semi matte lipstick, and I would say it has like an orange tone to it. It's not a cool tone, but now that I have my lipstick on, I feel like I need a little bit more darker eyeshadow in the bottom of my eyes, so I'm gonna just apply just a little bit.
Oh, what is it?
Okay, there we have it. Okay guys, that's my look. This is our Red Stiletto lipstick, and I absolutely love it. It's fun, it's bright, it's a part of our limited edition spring collection. So please let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, I'm happy to help you. And everyone stay safe. Have a great day. Mwah.